And our plan all along was to find somebody that would be capable and willing to step into the director's role when I retire next year. Myron was a great choice to come in, fill the position we needed immediately, and then be ready to step in.
The transition of this leadership will be successful because Bill has set the foundation. The biggest thing is learning the people and learning the protocols.
He's done a great job, and in the next 6 to 8 months, he's going to start to assume more and more management role when it comes to managing the flight department, budget work and scheduling, and working on coordination of between maintenance and flight side. It made logical sense to promote him to chief pilot, and I will just maintain the director of aviation role.
Yeah. And so we've got everything that we need to continue on to run the operation completely 100% satisfactory.